Hello. Today I want to show you how to get access to Autocost. Since Autocost is an internet-based program, you have to use a browser to be able to access it. We recommend to use Mozilla Firefox. Autocost is on the same platform as Automarker, so we need to log in at automarker.com to be able to get to Autocost. If you want to use Automarker or Autocost, you need to register with a registration form at automarker.com. You will receive a login and password for the access. You type in www.automarker.com and enter your login and password into the login field. You will be guided to the welcome page. On the welcome page, you will find a link to our document and update info page. All manuals and update infos are stored here in PDF format. You can download any of them or open them in the browser. When you are logged in at automarker.com, you will see the tab Autocost. When you click on the tab, you will be led to Autocost. Now you can start working with Autocost. You can continue your learning experience by watching my next video.